stop. Before you upload your next YouTube video, there are these 6 settings you need to turn on, because if you don't turn it on, your videos might never get any views. But if you activate all these 6 settings that I'm about to tell you, your channel growth will literally explode. When I applied these 6 settings on this channel, I got 16,000 views on this particular video. You can see the massive views this single video has accumulated me, even with under 1,000 subscribers. I will show you the exact sequence I use for every of my video to maximize views, and one of them alone can literally change how the algorithm recommends your video. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because the setting number 5 is the one most creators ignore, and is the reason their videos stop getting views. So let's dive straight into the main video. Okay, let me quickly show you something inside your YouTube dashboard so you can set it up. You see this particular setting. Now, first thing first, you need to go to your YouTube channel settings and add your real country. For example, if you're in Nigeria, USA, Kenya, Japan, or any of the countries, make sure that you are adding your real country. Why? Because YouTube uses your country to determine who sees your videos first. Now, take for example now, if your channel is set to the US country, when you are in Nigeria, your videos will mostly show to US viewers first. And when they don't watch your videos, it will affect your reach, it will affect your impression, and even your monetization eligibility. That is, if you are aiming to earn on YouTube. My other channel that YouTube deleted, my country was set wrong on that particular channel, and most of my videos were barely getting views because YouTube didn't know where to show them. So if you are thinking that you are smart on this YouTube is gonna catch you. So make sure that you put the exact country that you are, add it in your channel, put the real channel location so that YouTube will push it to the right audience. Your CPM and RPM doesn't come from your channel location, it comes from your viewer location. Even though you add it to Nigerian, US, audience who find your videos interesting can still watch your video from any part of the country. So before you upload your video, always check this setting. Now, the second thing is optimize your channel description, your channel tags, and even your about section with the relevant keywords. Now, these keywords you are putting inside this your channel are the keywords that are related to what you are doing on this YouTube. Now, think like a searcher. What would someone type to find your videos? So this is the exact things that will help you to get that views. Now, take for example now, if your channel is about YouTube growth tips, make sure that the keywords that you include on your channels are keywords like small YouTube channel growth, YouTube tips for beginners, how to get more views on YouTube, how to videos. Now, this particular keywords that I just mentioned and this particular keyword you are seeing right now helps YouTube to understand your channel niche and even show your videos to the right audience automatically. See, there is no big YouTuber, there is no channel that doesn't have in their channel keywords, and that is what is making that channel to be easy to discover. So the fun fact is optimizing your keyword is like telling YouTube exactly where your videos belong. If your videos belong to entertainment, if it belongs to education, depending, is a free traffic if it's done right. So go and check this particular setting. If your own is not set, if you have a mixed keywords there, make sure that you edit everything and put the necessary words keyword. Just like you can see my own, I have too many keywords that helps my video to be ranked and my channel to be searchable. The third setting is this particular setting. Make sure that you add the correct video category. Yes, before you upload your video, make sure that this particular setting you are seeing up here is correctly set. Every video you upload should have the correct category, like education, gaming, tech or lifestyle, auto and vehicle, people's and vlogs. Why is this particular setting is important? Because YouTube uses these particular categories to recommend your video to the right viewers. Now, take for example, now if you post a tech tutorial videos, but you choose the entertainment, or maybe you post a YouTube growth, or maybe you take the gaming, but the category is entertainment category. YouTube might not recommend it to the people interested. I mean, to the interested users, people that are interested, and your video will struggle to get views. This is what you are going to do. Always double check your category before hitting that public. This is a small step that prevents your videos from being lost in the upgrading. You can go to your YouTube Chrome version and toggle it automatically so that every video it will be automatically toggled on. Now the fourth thing is publish to subscription feed and notify your subscribers. Now this is a setting that many small creators ignore. Make sure to publish to subscription feeds and notify your subscribers settings is toggled on. Now, when this particular setting is on, YouTube will send your video directly to your subscribers feed. Immediately you publish your video and even send a notification to them. So if they have their alerts on, I mean their notification bell on, it will help them to see your videos before YouTube can distribute it to others. So without this, your subscriber may never see your videos, which kills early views and engagement. Two things YouTube uses to recommend your videos to more people are these things: the early engagement. Now take for example, now I turned this particular setting on for one of my video. Now I saw the first 1,000 views in just a few hours, all from my subscribers. So make sure that your subscription feed is toggled on if you want your subscriber to be the first to watch your video. Now the fifth one is upload as unlisted, not public. Yes, here is a little trick. Make sure you upload your video as unlisted first, not public. Why? Because uploading as unlisted gives you a chance to check for typos, errors, or the last minute edits, and it will help you to add subtitles, end screen, cards, everything, your thumbnail correctly, and also make sure that your SEO, which is your title, your description, your tags, is perfect before the world will see it. So once everything is ready, you can switch to public. So do not upload videos on YouTube as public immediately. These simple steps can increase your click-through rate and watch time, which you know that YouTube loves it. Now the sixth thing is made for kids or not made for kids. Before you upload your video, you are going to see these settings. Now you must choose if your video is made for kids or not. Why are you choosing this, and why is YouTube asking you this? Is because YouTube needs this for compliance with community guidelines rules. So choosing it wrong can limit your video features like comments, notifications, and monetization. So make sure do not choose made for kids or not made for kids unless the content are genuinely targeted as children. So make sure that you toggle on the right setting. Now do these 6 things and YouTube will start pushing your videos to the right audience automatically. Now, if you want to grow faster on this YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, because I break down what actually works for small channels. No guessing, no fluff. Now that you have set this up, watch this next video where I show you how I got 16,000 views with YouTube's new feature. It will help you even more. Thank you for watching to the point of this video, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.